tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Many drill presses require manual adjustments in order to change from one speed to another. Use the following simple steps to adjust your drill press's speed to your workpiece's needs. In this example, we will demonstrate using the Wen 8-inch 5-speed drill press. This particular Wen drill press includes a guide to help determine the right RPM for your project. For safety purposes, unplug your drill press from the wall before you get started. We don't want anyone losing a finger, now do we? Step 1. Open your drill press and loosen the belt using the knob and latch located on the side of the drill press. Once the motor has shifted backwards, the belt will be loose enough to move around. Step 2. To change the speed, simply slip your finger under the loosened belt and gently pull to the desired level while rotating the pulleys. Step 3. After the belt has been put into place, use the side knob and latch to secure the motor and tighten the belt. Make sure to close the lid before plugging the machine back in. And that's how you manually adjust your drill press to the correct speed.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8-inch 3-jaw chuck, 265 inch-pounds of max torque, 20+ 1-clutch settings, powerful 2-speed gearbox, easy-to-read charge indicator, powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Bosch, invented for life.
Unveiling the emergent GALAX Pro single-speed drill. All new prestigious GALAX Pro SS drill features BitLock, which automatically centers and locks in beats. With interchangeable lithium-ion batteries, this tool is designed for DIYers, just like you. DC Professional Tool Technology runs a powerful motor with up to 600 RPM rotation speed. The lithium-ion battery is a 1.3 amp-hours professional DC 20-volt battery. Smart electronics and temperature control guarantee optimum safety for all your GALAX Pro tools. GALAX Pro, power to change your life.